upload on Wednesdays, but when I do, you're gonna get wet because we're playing in a creek at Westoberfest.
That scared the crap out of me.
Do you guys like riding in creeks? Because I do. You know, there's that unknown. You never know when you're gonna drop into that seriously deep water hole. Of course, when it's you falling into the water, it's not really that funny, but when it's your buddies, oh, it's priceless. Stone is very slippery. It's got like algae buildup, and it is wicked slippery. Riding on this rock is like the same sensation of riding on ice without studs. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Okay, I'll spare you guys from that wonderful rendition of Waterfalls by TLC, my favorite band. To go up.
Oh man.
Oh, man.
Well, I didn't know it was that big of a drop-off. Oh, hang on, let me... Oh, let me pull it, let me pull it.
It's time for tug-of-war. Defeat, we couldn't do it. As I'm coming down this, all of a sudden, it drops away. Woo! That was deep. And now we have to get out of here. James goes for the first attempt. Yeah, it's slippery.
Whoa! Must be nice to be tall.
All right, attempt number 2.
Yep, that didn't work.
Let's try it again. kind of. Not really.
Whoa!
Mike almost got there. So I've got a plan. I'm going to come over here, I'm going to go across, and then up to the right. Oh, excuse me, tree. I am trying to get through here, please. All right, let's try it again. Yeah, that's no better. All right, James, going.
There you go.
Gone. Okay, we'll make that count. That wraps it up. Thank you for watching. We'll see you Friday for a new upload. Enjoy your Thanksgiving, everybody.